Good morning, it's Lexa. Welcome back to my channel. We just got into Beverly Hills, Leo and I, and we're gonna go for a walk in the neighborhood and probably around a Rodeo drive. Leo and I are walking down Rodeo in Beverly Hills. It's pretty early in the morning, so there's no one out yet. It's pretty quiet, which is nice. Over there is a park that's right across from the Beverly Hills Hotel. It's pretty, it has a water fountain, and it's a nice spot to walk around or have a picnic. Part of Beverly Hills is known as the Flats. Leo and I are on our walk, and the houses are so nice in this neighborhood. I'll show you some of my favorites. We're at the part of the walk where he is refusing to continue to walk until I pick him up. After our walk in Beverly Hills, I ran a couple of errands before heading home and giving Leo a bath. He cannot stand bath time. He does these little shakes, and I leave him outside to air dry a little bit before I bring him inside to blow dry him. He looks so cute, and he's nice and fluffy and soft after his bath. I should probably be giving him baths a little bit more often. Leo makes this little noise every time the shoes come out. He's either very excited because he knows he's going for a walk, or upset because he knows that I'm leaving him. Unfortunately, today I was leaving him because my boyfriend and I were trying a new burger place. I've seen this all over TikTok. It's been rated as one of the best burgers in LA, so we had to go try it. Burgers are one of my favorite foods, and I did like it, but I wouldn't quite say it was the best burger in LA. Definitely good, but I'm not sure if I would drive all the way back just to get them. After grabbing burgers, we came home and just relaxed for the rest of the night, and here's Leo just looking so cute. Good morning. It's Wednesday morning. Leo and I are just going for our morning walk, and today we're just going to run a bunch of errands. I think we're going to go to the Grove, and I will take you with me. On my way home, I stopped by a grocery store in LA called Bristol Farm. It has one of my favorite sushi rolls. It's crispy rice with spicy tuna on top. It's so good. And here's Leo doing his little whine again. And this time he was actually coming with. I was going to the Grove to pick up something from Sephora and just walk around. The weather was really nice this day, so had to take advantage. When I got home from the Grove, I ran down to the gym for like 30 minutes to do a quick workout, and when I came home, Leo had literally went through the trash. Good morning. I'm just taking Leo on our morning walk. It's so cold in LA today. I think it's like 40 degrees, which is pretty cold for here. It's gonna be like 60 this afternoon, so huge temperature difference. I spent the rest of the day working before my boyfriend and I decided to go out to dinner. This is my outfit that I was wearing. Played with Louie for a bit before leaving. Our dinner was very good. I forgot to film it, but thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.